Hey YouTube, it's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did these passion twists. So if you want to see that, stick around and check it out. Give you guys a mini tutorial and a mini review on these passion twists. I received this hair from a company on Amazon. The name of the company is Beyond Beauty. They sent me out 3 packs of hair. It came packaged like this. Here is what the hair looks like. It is it says Beyond Beauty best quality tangle free spring hair, and it is in the color 1B. I used exactly 2 packs, so I do have 1 pack left. Here is what the hair looks like. It's very bouncy. It's still in the net. Let me take it out of the net. But yeah, I saw videos here on YouTube where girls are using like 9 packs, 6 packs. Just, I don't know, it's just ridiculous. I don't want to have to use that many packs. I don't want too much hair in my head, but I do like it to look full still. So the company, like I said, is Beyond Beauty. This is the hair. I used 2 packs of it. It's their 8-inch spring, well, I keep wanting to say spring roll. That sounds like food. It is their 8-inch spring twist hair, and it is very bouncy. I'm telling you, like the other day when me and my husband was at a store, we got back in the car driving through the parking lot, every speed bump we went up, my hair was like, anyway, you get it. It's super bouncy. It has a lot of body to it. I actually love it. I've been wearing it for about a week now, so I was like, okay, let me get the review done because I haven't been tying it up. I didn't want it to be looking too crazy. This style took me about 6 hours to do, which is, yeah, ridiculous. I wanted to hurry up the process, but I didn't want it looking crazy. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look. Hopefully my camera is focusing how it should. Now, like I said, I had this in for about a week. I haven't put anything on it except for when I did it. It's very bouncy. Like if you pull it down, it bounces like right back up. Like it's very bouncy. The ends are not nappy. They're like perfect. So for this look or this style, you're gonna need some kind of moisturizer or cream. I did mine with, I don't remember what moisturizer it was. I think it was like an African Pride when it was my daughter's. I used it all doing this hairstyle. So for this mini tutorial, I'm just gonna use my Live by Summit. The good old throwback. I'm gonna use the spring hair, of course. Oh, and another thing I wanted to tell you guys, it came with, from Beyond Beauty, I'm sorry if you hear a lot of noise, the yard man is outside as well as the trash truck at the same time. It came with 2 clips as well as, you know, the little hair decor things with silver and gold. So you just need the moisturizer, you need your hair. I'm gonna use a little gel for my edges. I don't have any edge control right now, so I won't be using that. And of course, you need your pack of rubber bands. Just some basic black rubber bands. So I'm gonna take one of these twists out that I already have. And yeah, okay, so now I took out 2 that I had in the front. Sorry, like if it's crusty or whatever, that's definitely for my gel. I've been using like Gotta Be gel and my Eco Styling gel for like the past week, so that's why that's like that. Let's see, I'm gonna clip this one out of the way and work on that back one first. So I hope you guys can see. This is one right here, which probably could have been 2, but like I said, it took me so long doing it. I was like so over it. So we have 1 piece of the spring hair, because a lot of tutorials didn't tell you if they cut it in half, because I'm like, okay, how did some tutorials only use 3 packs and some use 8 packs? Did like the ones that use 3, did they cut it in half? No, I did not cut the hair in half. This is how it comes. I think this is 8-inch or something, but this hair stretches. Like this hair is long. So you basically want to slide your fingers over the curl to like loosen it up. See how it's loosening up? So I slid my fingers over the hair before separating it because it made it easier to separate so it won't tangle up. So I'm just basically sliding my fingers over it, and now you see how it looks. It's not like a perfect curl anymore. So I'm just gonna split that apart into two, and it comes apart that easy. This hair is very soft, it's very bouncy, and so it depends on how long you want it. You're gonna use those two pieces of hair, and of course you're gonna put them together. So if you want them shorter, you'll kind of like just stack them like that, but I want mine's a little longer. So here's the two pieces of hair. I'm gonna like overlap them right there and just leave that just like that. Set that to the side. Make sure my moisturizer and my gel is open. This is the kind of gel I'm using for my edges. It is the Eco Style Cannabis Sativa Oil, Black Castor Oil, and Olive Oil. I got it from my local beauty supply. It was $3.99 and it's almost gone. I definitely need some more. So I have my section here of hair that I'm working with, which is one. I'm gonna split that into two. It's no perfect way to split it, so I'm splitting it like that. I'm gonna lay one side up here, one down there. Gonna take my piece of hair, lay that right in between, and then take my hair, my real hair, back together and put the rubber band on there. Now you definitely don't want to place this rubber band too tight, because you need one for every piece of hair, and if it's too tight then you're gonna have a headache. You won't be able to pull it up in a ponytail. So I just wrapped it a few times. As you guys can see that it's loose, but it's basically locking in the twist hair. This, what is it called, spring? It's locking in the spring hair, so I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit, which is pulling my hair to the side. And now it feels a little tighter, but it's not all the way tight. So I'm gonna separate my hair, my real hair, into two pieces, one with one side and one with the other side. And this is where you definitely want to moisturize all the way down. So I'm just gonna take my moisturizer, and all you do is a regular twist all the way down. You don't need to know how to braid for this style. It's definitely easy for girls who want to get the style and don't want to pay a lot of money. You don't have to know how to braid. All you have to do is put it in a rubber band and do the 2-strand twist all the way down, and you're good to go. And a lot of people can braid, but they can't braid their own hair. And now the parting in the back, I really didn't even care like if it was straight or not, because this is like a carefree hairstyle. So basically you want to just keep grabbing your moisturizer as you're going down to twist. But yeah, I really didn't care about the back, so I just basically parted it with my finger. And at the top I definitely took my time. I paid attention. So I'm just doing that all the way down. I keep grabbing my moisturizer. Let's see. Twisting and moisturizing. Now when it gets to the end, you don't have to cut it, and I was surprised at how long this hair was. I'm like, okay, this hair is short. I have it to do the review, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna do it because it looks so short. No, boo, it is long. It just depends on how you separate it. So let's see, I'm almost to the end. I have to put my head to the side because it's so long. And at the ends, if you want to snip it with a little scissors, just the scraggly ends off, you definitely can. I had to do that for a few, but most of them I didn't. So now I'm at the end, and all I did was like twist my finger around to make sure. And there we go, we have that one, and it's not too tight, it's not too loose, it's not going anywhere because it's on there with the rubber band. Of course the moisturizer is showing up, but that will that'll go away. Fuse. Each twist in your hair is one piece of spring hair. Like I said, I didn't cut it. We're gonna run our fingers over it to loosen it up, because when you pull it apart you definitely don't want it to tangle. So I'm just sliding my hands, fingers, whatever, down it to give it that look. Here's how, let me show you guys. Ooh, that one's nappy. Here's how it looks before you loosen it up, and here's how it looks after you loosen it up. So I'm just sliding my hands down there to make it easier to separate into two pieces. So now that that's separated, we're gonna cross it like that, depending on how long you want it. If you want it like super long, you can just put it like that right at the top, but I don't want mine too long and I don't want it too short. So we're gonna put it together like that. My real hair, separate that into two. Lay your spring hair right in between that. Grab both pieces of your hair and just put the rubber band on there. Like I said, where's my rubber band? Like I said, that rubber band is what's holding that hair down. It's kind of like the crochet method, but instead, you know, you're doing it with your hand instead of the crochet thing, and the rubber band is holding it in. So I wrap that a few times. I don't want to wrap it too much. Take my real hair, tighten it up just a little bit, and then split your real hair into two pieces to go with the twist hair. Get you some moisturizer and moisturize and twist, and that is it, sis. This is an easy hairstyle. You definitely don't have to know how to braid, like for real. Like if you can go get you some hair, I think it's like $20-something. You don't have to pay $100 and something for somebody to do it. You don't have to know how to braid. You don't have to twist it on that complicated way that they show you on the paper or that other tutorials show you, because I definitely wouldn't be doing that because it's too time consuming. Just moisturize and twist. One strand of hair is one twist. I used 2 packs of hair. It came with 3 and I have a pack left, which is good. So if I want to redo the front, then I can when it gets looking shaggy. But I like hairstyles like this, but I don't like to keep them in for too long. So I'll probably take this out in the next day or two. I know some people think I'm crazy, but let me know what you think of my tutorial. Check out Beyond Beauty on Amazon.com. I'll post their link down below. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle, if you tried the rubber band method. I'm still twisting this or not. If you guys like more tutorials, this is a mini tutorial. Of course, I could do a more detailed tutorial, but at the end you don't dip it. Just keep moisturizing. The hair stays twisted together, so there's no need to glue, and then if you dip, it'll be straight. So I probably will be taking mine out in a day or two, but let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any requests on any hairstyles, tutorials, or just different videos, let me know. I've been thinking about vlogging. I'm not sure, or doing some mukbangs with my husband and my daughter. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. I definitely have to get my channel rolling because my views are like going down. So yeah, I hope you guys are a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications every time I upload a video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh, and if you're not following me on Instagram, Tatted Dre 619, and until next time.